My boo. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi guys, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things. I am back to talk about some new makeup once again, of course. So I am back to talk about the new ColourPop Valentine's Day collection. I was able to snag up all of the palettes. So before I get all the way into all of these cuties, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, which is Nelly Doing Things. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button while you're down there as well. So let's get into this cute little collection. All right. So I just want to talk about the packaging just a little bit because I think it is cute. I'm into it, you know. This packaging is very, very cute. This whole collection was really cute. These do retail for $10 each. These are the mini size palettes, of course, and they do give you, let me see, they give you 3 of them. This one is called Melt For You. This one's Melt For You, and they have 5 colors, and the cute little hearts in the back tell you all about it. And then we have S.W.A.K. I keep saying S.W.A.K, but S.W.A.K. And then, of course, the final one, which we all know about, is the 143. So the 143, again, they have those 5 colors in the back. I did ask for more of these small 5-pan palettes from ColourPop, and apparently they heard us because we got them. And this packaging, I think, is cuter than the first ones, in my opinion. I love all the hearts. It's very dainty, very cute. They're very adorable sitting there on your vanity. They're just cute. This is like a little Valentine's gift to myself. I did end up doing 3 looks. I am going to show you a couple of them, and I actually have a tutorial for you guys as well. Just very pinky, I still say these are like Sweet 16 looks, Valentine's Day, just very pinky and cute. If you want this look? Just stay tuned.
The suppression, the use of marijuana.
All right, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial and all the looks, by the way. I did give you 3 individual looks, 1 from each palette, y'all. So let's dig into these colors. Like I said before, these do retail for $10 dollars on ColourPop's website. I don't know if these are limited edition, but I don't think they're going to Ulta anytime soon. I'm going to say this as well. I got all of these 3 in the mail, And every single one of them had at least one broken eyeshadow, y'all. So I don't know if they're changing the pigment in these shadows or whatnot, but I did get these and they did all come with at least one. And some of them had 2 to 3 cracked and busted shadows. So I was not happy about that whatsoever because it got to me earlier before Valentine's Day. Again, happy Valentine's Day to anyone out there. So I didn't really care too much for them being all busted. You know, I paid for that and I didn't expect them to crumble or bust out. So but let me get into the first one. We're gonna break this down, guys. So with the first palette, this one is the Melt For You. She is very cute, very nice, soft, pinky, neutral kind of palette. This one was very appealing to me. I felt like it was the first one I seen that I was like, I wear this outside of Valentine's, definitely, because it's just so pretty. It's just so neutral, and it's like, if you guys see my look, I love that look. That is just like me, but like I would make it purple, like, you know. This one was an effortless palette to use because it just was so neutral and so pretty and how all the colors just go together. It was really, really a pretty look, and it's like those effortless. It just doesn't take long or a lot to just create a very good look with it. I love palettes like that, but as I said before, guys, I did come with a busted shadow. If you see right there, she is cracked. And that was before I even did swatches, close up, put it on, the brush, anything. It came like that anyways. Like it's already, you can see it's like split almost in half. So that was really a downer. I think maybe the formula they switched up or they made them extra soft or they're too pressed. It's something about it, too much of something or too pressed. Something with the shadows. They are very, very pigmented, they are, but they break apart so easily, and that's the down part about these palettes. My favorite shade was Bonbon. I did like Sweetie is that matte one I love, and Ganache is that, it's pretty much that matte with those glitter pinpoints in it. Like gold, it was very pretty. It was very, it's really pretty to layer on top of even the color Dutch. Because that one's more like straight, more matte, and has a little bit of pinpoints, but it's deeper. But Ganache was a really good. I can see me just putting that just all over my lid, just one swatch. It was really, really pretty. Like I said, very pretty colors. It's just, it breaks apart and they pressed it too much or it's too much something they put in there. So that's the only downfalls that that possibly will come crushed, guys. Their Love Struck collection, I didn't get one busted shadow, but this one was all busted. I don't know why. This one was a very, very beautiful neutral palette. So this is the neutral one out of the bunch. And then next, it is the S.W.A.K palette. So with this palette, y'all, it is the more deeper reddy one. So they give you all the reds you possibly need, all those traditional Valentine's colors. And then of course on the back, they do have the cute little hearts with the names. Y'all, I can't even get this on camera without it busting some more. If you guys can see, I think it's, yep, this one right here. It's all busted up. This shimmer combusted, y'all. It literally is just like one little blow, they're gone. Again, very, very pigmented palette, extremely pigmented. They pressed it too hard or something because literally these are just balling up and coming out and it's so dusty. This one's so dusty and I'm just like, again, I'm not satisfied with that. Something's going on, but it's called Canoodle. It's a beautiful matte shade. It's very pretty, but it busts and break apart. The MAC one next to it, that dark red, she doesn't break. And then XX doesn't break in the center of that shimmer. And then Smooch was really good. That's a really good neutral muted kind of brown with like gold pinpoints in it. It's really cool. And then this one, Besos, those shimmers. That shimmer, again, it's very pretty. It's like a gold with like pink pinpoint kind of glare or shimmer. It's really pretty, but again, they bust and it's like you can't fully enjoy or show it off. Like I wish I could show you, but it's gonna fall all in my lap and I don't know that. But this palette is like that traditional red one. The best colors, my favorite out of this palette, adding up, it would be Canoodle and it would be Besos, the two ones that actually came broken. Those are my favorite shades, but they're so hard to use because they're just breaking apart. If your palette doesn't come broken like mine, you'll love it. It's very pretty, but these are very, very powdery and they are dusty. So I'll warn you that, especially if you do get the ones that are kind of broken up. So last but not least, this is the 143. So this cutie right here. So she is the traditional, what I have on, the traditional pinky Valentine's, just very cutesy Valentine's Day look. I do love the name. I like the packaging of this one. Again, came with a broken shadow and it's her right here. That one is Love, L-U-V. Yeah, I didn't love that pan because that thing broke right on up. These do give you, again, a matte. This one actually has the pressed glitter in it, Those other ones had shimmers. They had matte with pinpoints of gold shimmer and stuff in them. But this one is the only one that has pressed glitter right here in the center. That glitter is called My Boo. My Boo. It's cute. We have cute in there, that, and then we have all. So my favorite shades out of it, I'm going to have to say it is actually, I love My Boo. My Boo is awesome. I do like cute. The matte pink I use in the back there to just blend it out. I love that pink. It's very, very pastel and very pretty. LOML, I did use that for the darker in my crease. It's cute. It has that pinpoint shimmer. So for the crease, it's not ideal, but it is cute. Love is pretty. It's not my favorite color, but it came busted. And then she is very pretty. She's like pinky with gold kind of shift to it. Very pretty. But out of the whole palette, I have to say cute and My Boo is my favorite because those perform the best, even though I hate pressed glitters. But look how cute and glittery that is. It's just a cute, girly, cute little Valentine's Day look. I already know the red one is not my so-called favorite. She gives you the look, but so many things broken up with it. I'm just kind of like, it turned me off on that. I think Melt For You is my favorite because, well, it's hard. 143 and Melt For You is like top of my two favorite. They're my favorite out of the collection, period. But I think realistically, Melt For You is my favorite. I think this one is just, it's so flattering. It seems so neutral and bland compared to the other ones that are very colorful, very Valentine's traditional look. But actually it's very, very soft and very pretty. I was like, Melt For You is the winner out of all these three. These perform the best in my opinion. So out of the whole collection, y'all, my final impressions is my palettes came busted. And I feel like the shimmers and the shadows and them performed very well. It's just them being crushed up in the palette does not make it better. And I didn't get to tell you guys too, the 143 one, that love one over here, that darker pinky one, that one literally crumbled right out of the pan. I had to push it back into the pan. I was like, well, girl, you're going away. Even though that pressed glitter is popping, she's cute. It's like a birthday cake on your eyes. It's really pretty. Again, I do like the small packaging of these. I think they're adorable. I do like that they keep coming out with this size and they're 10 bucks. I think that's a cute price, cute size. But again, if they keep this formula, hell no, don't get rid of that formula. I don't know what they did different from Love Struck to this one, but it's really not good. Overall, I think if these had a different formula, they're top tier. The packaging, the price, the new color range, besides it being busted, it's really good. So again, thank you for watching me, which is Nelly Doing Things. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to leave a comment below. Which one's your favorite palette? And did you get one busted? Because I want to know, because I'm still a little bit in my feelings that those came busted. Are these colors still even good to you? Do you even like the packaging, anything about it? So let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to hit the notification button before you go. And you guys already know what I'm about to say. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Bye.